Hello everybody. So today's topic is novel and its types. As this is a part of the syllabus of BA3, we have already discussed in our first lecture the first two literary terms, that is the very basic introduction of what is novel and the other two literary terms. So this is the second lecture on the novel and its types, and the literary terms that I'm going to discuss today are the epistolary novel, historical novel, and the third one is psychological novel. So the very first term, that is the epistolary novel, uh, the word epistolary comes from a Greek word epistle, which means letter. Epistolary is a literary genre pertaining to letters in which writer tells their stories or deliver messages through a series of letters. The epistolary novel's reliance on the subjective point of view makes it the forerunner of the modern psychological novel. This form can add realism to the narrative as it imitates real life working. Alice Walker, The Color Purple, that was published in 1982, is a very good example of an epistolary novel. In this novel, an impoverished black teenage girl, Celia, tells her story through writing letters to both her sister and God. And the next novel, that is the Mary Shelley's first novel, Frankenstein, it was published in 1818 in the form of letters. Here in this novel, Mary Shelley uses three narratives or perspectives that allow readers to form opinions about the narrative. The first narrative is of Robert Walton, who gives his point of view about Victor. Second narrative is Victor himself, who gives his point of view about Walton. Finally, it is Walton who starts and ends this novel by relating a series of events through letter to his sister. Another example of epistolary novel is Samuel Richardson's Pamela, that was published in 1740. In this novel, when Pamela's master tries to seduce her, she expresses her insecurities to her parents by writing them letters. And the next novel is historical novel. A novel that has its setting a period of history and that attempts to convey the spirit, manners, and social conditions of a particular age with realistic details. The work may deal with the actual historical characters, or it may contain a mixture of fictional and historical characters. The historical novel, situated between the history and literature, can narrate and explain events with great vivacity and emotion, without the seriousness of purely historical account. Sir Walter Scott is considered as the first to write historical novel. In the historical novel, history and literature go hand in hand, and as a result of placing one within the another. A classic novel such as A Tale of Two Cities, that was published in 1859 by Charles Dickens, is an example of historical novel. Uh, Tale of Two Cities, it gives the reader of history. It talks about the cruelty and the bloodshed of not only the French Revolution but also the age of highwaymen and grave robbers of the England. Raja Rao's Kantapura, that was published in 1938, is another example of historical novel. In Kantapura, Raja Rao tries to recreate the history of Indian freedom struggle from British government, which has been exploiting India for many years. Some common elements of historical novel are: first is setting. The setting is the most important part of a historical fiction. It should take place during an authentic period in history and be set in a real historical place. Second is the plot. The plot in a historical fiction novel is a combination of real events and fictional events. Then is the characters. The characters can be real, fictional, or both, but they should all look, speak, and act in ways that accurately reflect the era. Then is the dialogue. The dialogue must be authentic to the time period and should reflect the status of the characters who are speaking. Then is the conflict. The problems of the characters encounter should be conflicts people of that era would encounter. Then is the third is psychological novel. A psychological novel or psychological realism is a work of the prose fiction which places emphasis on interior characterization or the motives, the circumstances, and the internal action which springs from and develops external action. The mode of narration examines the reasons for the behavior of the character which propels the plot and explain the story. Psychological novel is a novel that focuses on the complex mental and the emotional lives of its characters, and it explores the various levels of mental activity. One of the greatest writers of that genre was Fyodor Dostoevsky. His novel Crime and Punishment and Brothers Karamazov are the best examples of psychological novel. Stream of consciousness is one of the distinguishing features of the psychological novel. Henry James and William Faulkner, who were American modernists, they also used this technique in their novels. Henry James' novels such as The Portrait of a Lady, The Turn of the Screw, The Wings of the Dove, and William Faulkner's novels such as The Sound and the Fury, As I Lay Dying, Absalom, and the Absalom ex Absalom are the examples of psychological novel. Thank you.